If you want to measure the distance between two positions, you can use the function measure linear. In my example, I want to measure my chest width. I move my cursor to the start point on my side seam of the front piece. With a left click, I set the start point, and now you can see I'll get a reference line to the other position. Assyst.Cad is working as well and helps me with the magnetism. If I want to add the value, press plus. As you can see, the reference line goes on. To pause and stop the reference line, press the right mouse button and go on with the left mouse button on the other position. In this case, it's the side seam point on my back piece. With left, I start with the measurement. I will get my reference line, and with the help of the magnetism from Assyst.Cad, I can measure in a 90 degrees angle to my center back. To add the value, press plus and enter to see the result.